Alright, so in this video I'm going to do just a review tutorial of this, let's see here, what's the brand name? Wigobolt. This Wigobolt film picker, extractor, whatever you want to call it, whatever's hip. You can find a link to this down in the description. Most are going to be exactly the same, so you don't necessarily have to buy this specific one. But it's pretty clean. I mean, all of them are very plastic sounding. But the idea is that if you have a roll of film and that you've already, rolled in accidentally or whatever, and you need to pull it out for either development or, whatever it is that you have, you then need to use, well, there's a way that you can use another roll of film to pull it out, and I'm not very good at it. And I tried recently, and then I was like, nope, I'm just going to pick up one of these and call it a day, since I'm going to be doing a lot more. So the idea is that you're going to stick all three of these little things. There's three of them, 1, 2, and then a lip, an indexing lip. So you have them all there. And then you slide all three into your film cartridge. And then you stick out the first one. So you put in the first one. And what that is doing is putting the first bit of the lip all the way on this side. And then this other one, which should not be there yet, is going to come in on the inside and scoop up that. The next thing that you need to do is spin your film until you hear a little audible click. There we go. That was the little click. And then you put the back one in. And then you pull both of them back, both of these back together. There we go. And out comes the film. So that's how to use a film extractor and kind of a review of this one. Nice, cheap. You can find it on Amazon, linked down below. And it works pretty well. I've enjoyed it. It's a lot easier than the alternate versions. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if this helped you out and you want to see more film photography videos. Thank you.